Farmers on the high plains of Texas are utilizing the latest technology to produce their crops more efficiently. The High Plains Water District has been thrilled to partner with the Texas Water Development Board to help cost share some of these technologies with producers. Through our Assistance in Irrigation Management program, ag producers have installed telemetry equipment to detect system leaks, integrate weather data, and prescribe the right amount of water at the right time. I spoke with Lubbock County producer Lee Jackson to learn how he provides food and fiber to the world using less water with this equipment.
Hi, I'm Lee Jackson, a Lubbock County farmer. We raise the cotton that goes in your socks and jeans and towels and food for your breakfast cereal. You know, our goal before we had the telemetry equipment was really just to be able to put in the most efficient water system that we could to stretch that water as far as we could go and use it more efficiently. That if we could automate part of that process and cut down on just the trips we had to make by the irrigation engines or the wells 2, sometimes 3 times a day on limited water areas, we could be able to automate part of that and be able to see that from a distance. And we could really do far more and a far better job than we were doing by just manually driving by and looking at it. So we've had several during thunderstorms that come through middle of the night, whereas before you'd have to get up and go down, turn something off or turn something back on or check it. And now, of course, you can do it all remotely. Midnight, the system checks with the weather station to see, what the day's humidity and temperature and irradiance, and can make adjustments. And scheduling the irrigation depending on the plant's stage of growth and the weather conditions. Leaks in the field, we can detect that with pressures, flow meters. You send a drone out and you can find the leak exactly and mark it with GPS and go back when the set's done, go right to it and fix it. All of the time, on a scale much grander than we are, is our ability to produce food and fiber for an ever-increasing population. We're going to have to get, particularly on the high plains, much more efficient in the water utilization than we used to be and that we even are today. And part of it is through genetics, and part of it is through equipment and processes and techniques to be able to utilize that water, I think, in a far more efficient manner than our grandfathers even dreamed of.